Julie.
Hello.
What what is your name? What is your name? My name
My name
is.
is Julian Rachel Calabo.
How old are you?
I'm Dorian Art.
Where do you live?
Hello.
Ha? Naaman dere. Where do you live?
I'm Dorian Art.
Where do you live? I live.
I live Davao
Very good. School na ka?
Mm.
Asak mo school?
Dito kay Ma'am O.
Ay, doon kay ma'am?
Dami
Say
Mami.
bye-bye. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
See. Bye-bye. Say bye-bye.